Hey guys, and welcome to today's new video. I am super excited because I've had so many requests for this video, and it is to review the Tati Beauty Blendiful sponge. It's kind of like a sponge. I've watched some reviews on it. It's been out for a minute. I ordered this on launch day. It's $18 and it came like within 2 days, but I had to go to a wedding that weekend, so I didn't get to get my review up super quickly. This is not wasteful at all, so I really enjoy that. And when you pop into it, which I'm going to do right now for you. Oh. Sorry, I don't want to show my address to the whole world. I love you guys, but, and that's how it comes in the mail. So like, this is as big as the mail packages, and then this is the actual packaging for the Blendiful, and I love that it is super small and they're thinking about the environment. So that really means a lot to me, that they're not trying to be super wasteful with all this cardboard. And I know a lot of you have probably already seen a review of this, but I'm here to give you my honest opinion. None of this is sponsored. I bought this on launch day. I love Tati, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely not sponsored. And I will give you my honest opinion on this Blendiful. I am excited to try it out for sure. I've heard nothing but good reviews on it, so I'm excited to see if they're, you know, legit. Her palette, which I have right here actually, is amazing and like a 10 out of 10. So I'm sure this will be too. She puts a lot of time and effort into her brand, and I watch her YouTube videos, so I'm excited. I'm excited because this is different and new and inventive, and I just love that. I love that it's something new and different, and it's not just trying to be the same old. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so anyway, what I'm gonna do right now is just go put on my eye makeup, because I always do my eye makeup before my foundation. And in a snap, I'll be right back here and we'll start trying to blend out some foundation and contour and all that fun stuff with the new Tati Beauty Blendiful. Okay, and we are back from doing my eye makeup, and now it's time to open up the Blendiful. All it says here on the back is the cleaning instructions, and it says machine wash and dry in a delicate laundry bag, or gently hand wash in warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly and blot dry. Do not bleach, do not dry clean, and it's 100% polyester polyurethane. And no harsh lines, XOXO Tati. So here we go. Oh wow, that was super easy to open too. Okay, wow, this is cool. So this is like kind of triangular, and you get two for $18, which is pretty amazing. And this one, which is like a little harder, this one's soft, not like drastic. Like this one's like a little bit softer, and this one is a little bit more firm. This one's perfect for your purse. I always like am touching up, so this will be perfect to kind of just like throw my purse and touch up with. And then this one's good for at home. I'm just gonna go into it because I watched her review and her like launch video of this, so I kind of got a little lesson from Tati herself on how to use this, and I want to put it to the test. And I think the only fair way to put it to the test is to do it the way it's supposed to be used. So what I'm going to do is grab some liquid bronzer, and I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna do like the whole, you know, bronze first and then foundation after to get that smooth, glowy look. So I grabbed my Simple Human mirror over here, and I'm just gonna pop open the cushion bronzer that I got from the Crane shop. And this actually has its own sponge, so I'm really interested to see it with this sponge. And I'm gonna actually, because we're contouring, I'm gonna fold this in half and kind of like go like this. I'm gonna try to get product on here. And that's cool, like that's how it's picking this up. And I'm gonna go in like this. And I'm gonna take this up here. Sorry about my bracelet. I've been into pearls lately, so. Well, this is definitely easier than the sponge. Okay, so I am done blending that out, and as you can see, that's like how dirty the sponge got, which is not that dirty at all. And I really like this. I am not a fan of the Beauty Blender. I like my foundation brushes and powders way better than going in with the Beauty Blender. I just never had the right precision, but I really do like this. Like this, being able to fold this up and get it right into my cheekbone just was really nice, and it blended really beautifully. It's totally different than a Beauty Blender, and if you like a Beauty Blender, I think you would like this better. I feel like I have more control with this, and you can squeeze it and manipulate it in different ways. Yeah, I do really like that. So now, and it was quick too, like that took no time whatsoever, and it was definitely better than the little sponge that it comes with. Like this, where did it go? Where did it go? Here, I'll show you the one from the blush. It comes with a sponge just like this. So it's interesting because I've been using these because I just got these cream, you know, cushion bronzers, cushion blushes. So it's interesting to see how they work with this kind of cushion, because this kind of reminds me of, since I have curly hair, I dry my hair with a microfiber towel, and that's kind of what this is like. But it's exactly like, I just recently got for Christmas these makeup remover towels, but they're made with like microfiber, and you just wet them so you don't have to use any like harsh chemicals to get your makeup off or anything like that. And you just use water and wipe, and it takes off your makeup without anything. It's amazing. I actually am going to put my review of them up and show you guys how it works. But that's kind of what this feels like, but thicker. So it's really interesting. And you can use powder products, you can use liquid products, so I'm excited. But I figured I'd try it with the liquid, and then later we can do some of the powder stuff. So now what I'm gonna do is go into my foundation and put that all over my face. I'm excited for this. So here's my foundation, and what I'm going to do for my foundation is I'm gonna go right here to a clean part of this, just like that. And I'm going to start wiping, I think, first. Okay, like wiping like this. And I have some acne spots, so I can see how well this helps blend the makeup out over them as well. So far, that's one pump. It mostly covered like 3/4 of my face. Like it covered this whole side and here. And one pump usually just covers half my face. So I don't really think the product absorbs into the sponge that much. Like look at it. Like it's pretty clean, you know? Like I used a lot of that product on my face. Like it wasn't absorbed into the sponge or into the makeup brush. Like I know my brush can absorb a lot of my product in it, and I think sponges absorb it even more. That's why I don't really like them. But this didn't absorb much at all, and I like the control I have with it. So it's a lot easier than I thought. Like I was kind of, you know, because I love makeup brushes so much, I didn't know if I was gonna like this, but I am digging it so far. Let's go in with the second pump, and I have like acne here and here, so let's see if we can cover this. And I'm gonna do I'm not even gonna do a full second pump. Like I kind of did like a half a little pump there and kind of go for it. Wow, so the two acne spots, like I can barely see them. Like of course I see the texture there, but there's no redness coming through, and they were really bad. And on those spots, I took this and I patted, and I kind of went between patting and wiping motions to cover my face. And I do feel like even though I feel like I used less product, I feel like it's more of a fuller coverage look, and it's blended out way nicer. Like, and I almost can't believe it. Like I almost can't believe how quick that was. Like that was so quick. But anyway, I'm actually gonna go into the bronzer a little more and kind of like add a little bit more, because I always do that. Do that with some more of that bronzer, kind of bringing it back a little bit. And I'm gonna use some patting motions for that. Just kind of Yeah, like, see, look at that. So nice. Yeah, it's like taking 5 seconds. Like, look at how quick this is. What? It's kind of crazy. And the fact that you can use it for like everything. It's like, instead of using like 500 different brushes, you can just use one sponge and wash one sponge. I mean, obviously, I guess you could do your eye makeup if you really wanted to try, but I think I would stick with a brush for that. And obviously there is a learning curve with this. You know, I'm sure the more you use it, the better you get with it, but I don't know. It's pretty user-friendly, honestly. And especially for me, because I feel like if you're used to brushes, I mean, not brushes, if you're used to sponges, you would have an easier time like getting acclimated with this, you know? But I don't know, like it was super simple for me to use. Like, look at that, I'm all glowy. Ooh, I love it. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is go into the cream blush and pop that on. And I am really liking these Cream Shop cushion blushes, the bronzer, everything. It's just amazing. And I'm gonna go and dip into this right here. And just, this is highly pigmented, like look at that. So I'm gonna be very careful with this and just kind of, yeah, like that was enough for 2 cheeks. Yeah, really pretty. Okay, I love that. And now what I'm going to do is actually go into some translucent powder and use the powder to kind of get my T-zone and all that before I put some highlighter on. So I'm gonna go into this CoverGirl Clean Matte powder that I love to use. And I'm literally just gonna use this like a powder puff and kind of swipe in here. As you can see, we get a bunch on there. And I'm just gonna kind of put this in my T-zone here and kind of brighten up and mattify where I want. Yeah, wow. Once again, easy peasy. And I used the clean side, like the little point, because I was using this side before. And I don't feel like you have to wash this after one use. Like you can use this like for a week and then wash it, and it actually cuts down some of your washing, because like if I just washed all my brushes and I have like 25 of them, so it takes some time to do that. But this would be quick and easy, and I feel like you'll wash this more because like you literally will see how dirty it gets and you're like, probably shouldn't put that on my face. It's not antibacterial, but it like is resistant to bacteria, which is nice because your makeup brushes are not. And like that's how easy it was to put on powder, like super, that was easy. Liked that. So I like it for powder too. And then what I'm gonna go do is go into my liquid highlight from the Cream Shop as well. So I have my liquid highlight now that we're gonna go into. And same thing, look, same sponge. It's actually a very different sponge. So I'm gonna go in to this and I'm gonna use this clean part. And I'm gonna fold this in half and dip right in. Oh, wow, I put a lot on. That was a little excessive, but we'll see, let's see. And I'm going to like first like do the tip of my nose. Okay, so even though I have a lot on my sponge, I can control it by how much I decide I want to actually press, which is nice. Like, ooh, look at that. I love it. Oh yeah. We're gonna be really glowing today, so you know, you can't waste highlight. That's not okay. And above my lip here, and right above my brow, which I have to still fill in. Ooh la la, we are glowing. We're really glowing. And I'm just being a little fun with it now because I put so much on and I don't want to waste it. So yeah, we are glowing to the heavens. I love that. Okay, so yeah, so like I am pretty much done with my full face and I can't believe it. I love this Blendiful. So what I'm gonna do right now is just pop on my brows and pop on my lipstick and give you my final thoughts about this Tati Beauty Blendiful. And here we go. Okay, and we're back and my eyebrows are done, my lips are done. I think my skin looks absolutely flawless. Like, I'm just gonna come close up for you guys and like, just look at that blend. And just ignore that. Like, I have patchy dry skin there, that's not from that. But like, look at the rest of it. And I mean, it did, like, these spots that I have are like a lot, and it did cover them up really nicely. Like, nothing's covering them up honestly at the moment, but that's also, this is not like super like heavy duty coverage, but yeah, it's like really, it looks so nice though. Look at the blend like through everything, and I know I can get better at using the tool myself, but I just think it was so quick too. Like, I can't wait to just be like, it's like wiping your makeup on. And I really do love that it comes with the little heart. Where did it go? Where did it go? Look at me. I'm a mess. Of course, Carolyn, of course. I love that it comes with the little heart Blendiful as well. I don't know where that went. That has seemed to escape me. Figures, right? I'm doing a Blendiful review, and the one that I started out with has totally escaped me. And I have air in my mouth. Has totally escaped me by the end of the video, but I will find it, and I'm gonna throw that one in my purse, because what that's gonna be perfect for is, you know, when you get those smile lines when you're out, just dab, 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 you know, and you're done. I mean, you could even put some powder on it in a Ziploc and just have it so you don't have to bring everything, and it's super lightweight. Like, these aren't heavy at all. And the other thing I really enjoy about this is the price point. It is only $18 for 2 of these, and this and the little mini black one, which has escaped me, but I'll find it. I'm gonna throw that one in my purse anyway, just to kind of touch up. But it's only $18, and I think just shipped to me was $2.95, and I'm in the United States. It might be a little bit more expensive to ship outside the United States, but you guys can check that out on our website at tatibeauty.com. But the shipping was super reasonable. I don't remember being like, oh, never mind, like, I don't want to get this. And just the price point of these is super reasonable. I'm pretty sure like beauty blenders cost you like $25, and you only get one. And I don't know. I just feel like beauty blenders like harbor bacteria, like just sit there and collect bacteria. I don't know. I just don't like them. I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, I really do enjoy this. I think this is fun, and it's kind of chic. Like, it makes me feel like old classic Hollywood with the big powder puffs and just going to town. I really enjoy it. I do. I really like it. So thank you so much to Tati Westbrook for creating these beautiful Blendifuls, and I'm excited to like explore this more, and you'll definitely see this in my other videos because I really enjoy the tool. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you guys don't know already, I am a singer and songwriter. I have tons of songs out, and I have a full-length album out called Carolyn Marie that you can search on Spotify or Apple Music. And I also have a collaboration with DJ Fun Size called Ghost that just recently released. So you guys should go check that out if you haven't. And also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter at Carolyn Marie X3, and I'm also on Facebook there. And you can check out my website for some merch, some hoodies, and to get yourself a CD at www.carolynmariemusic.com. And with all that said, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.